2007 Chevy Tahoe. What we got done on it is still got the stocks converters right there and right there. Then it winds into single. Then we put a Flowmaster 40 series. Then still got the stock resonator on the back. And we on a 3.5" by 12 rolled edge tip right there. And there's the Flowmaster 40 series. I'll let you guys hear it. If you wanted to keep it single, I'll let you guys hear it how it sounds. Go ahead.
Inside 2015 Chevy Tahoe. Let you guys hear it. Sounds all right.
'" 2007 Chevy Tahoe. 5.3 liter.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in.